Hey, hi all. So in this session, we're going to see like what are all the .NET Framework 4.0 and 4.5 features. Okay. In the last class, we have seen 3.0 and 3.5 features. Now in this session, we'll list out a couple of features in .NET Framework 4.0 and 4.5 and discuss the purpose of those features. Okay. Let's go back to my class notes. So again, this .NET 4.0 is nothing but, right? This is combination of 3.5 plus new features. Okay. And there are different new features we have we are seeing here in this 4.0. Like one is cloud integration, little bit, and ASP.NET, MVC, web applications, and SharePoint project, and Metro UI application development, and gaming applications, and semantic code analysis. So these are the different features included in 4.0 or 4.5 .NET Framework. So when it comes to cloud, right, it refers, right, the servers that are accessed over the internet, okay? So and the software and databases that run on those servers, little bit creating maintenance headache for the people who are manually maintaining. So this 4.0 or 4.5 have a now exposure platform wherein you just integrate these applications onto cloud. Okay, you just add a reference from the NuGet package and then integrate or deploy the application onto cloud. So what is cloud? Cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet, right? So, and the software and database that are run on those servers are always reliable, scalable, 24 by 7 on and based on the prescription, right? Based on the subscription you are taking on the cloud. So, cloud computing is an on demand availability for computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, right? Without direct active management by the user, everything is going to be maintained by cloud. Okay. So next one is ASP.NET MVC web applications. So ASP.NET MVC is a web application framework from Microsoft that uses the model view controller pattern to build dynamic websites. The MVC pattern separates an application into three main components: a model, a view, controller. Okay, so ASP.NET MVC model, view, controller. So here model means state of an application, right? Aspect. Okay, view means accepts information from the controller and displays it as set of it as user interface, displays it as user interface. Controller is nothing but it is going to handle interactions and updates the model to reflect changes to application state. I can say this is kind of model is kind of representation state for, right, uh, business logic or integration part. View means user interface, simple words. Controller means handles interactions and updates the model to reflect changes in application state. Okay. And coming to SharePoint project. SharePoint project is a web-based platform built on top of ASP.NET framework that allows organizations to create websites to store, share, organize, and access information. So SharePoint can be used from any device with a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge. And next one is Metro UI application development. So Metro UI is an open source toolkit for developing with HTML, CSS, and JS, right? It's kind of quickly creating prototype for user ideas or build your entire app with responsive grid system. Extensive pre-built components and powerful plugins are going to be added as part of this Metro UI application development. So using this open source toolkit, you can develop HTML, CSS, and JS quickly prototype ideas, and then you build entire application, right, which supports responsive grid system or responsive design. And next one is gaming applications. So gaming applications is going to provide different templates to create gaming applications. And this is one of the big plus, right? Big uh, plus in .NET being cross-platform. A single code base can be used on different operating system, right? Like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So developing a game in .NET means it is compatible with all the platforms. So .NET Framework seamlessly with game engines like Monogame and Unity and many more gaming engines are going to support. You can create incredible 2D and 3D games using these game engines. So game engines and framework developers are using a .NET to ensure secure cross-platform scripting for multiple gaming platforms. And next one is semantic code analysis. So which is nothing but, it is going to check the structure of code you are writing it. Basically, semantic code is something which is creating code in the tree structure format. How the nodes are creating inside of tree. Similar way, like namespace is main node. Under that, I'm going to have a classes as subnodes. Inside of each class, I'll be having methods. So if the code is looks like in this particular semantic analysis structure, then it is going to have quality, right? And even it describes or it allows developers conveniently change the or enhance the code in future. So using this semantic code analysis, you just analyze your code and get the review points to correct the way of code you are writing. That's how you are going to improve your code quality or code standards. So code quality and code standards are really helpful for make sure application is becoming rich and have standards which supports recent markets or market standards. Reaching these standards or not kind of validations can be done using the semantic code analysis tools. So these are a couple of features we have in 4.0 and 4.5 frameworks. Okay. And again, thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.